this video, I will show you how to hide locked chats on WhatsApp. So from your WhatsApp chat section, go to All Chats and then swipe down from this section. After you swipe down, you will see locked chats if you have locked chats. So go ahead and click on Lock Chats. And from your Lock Chats section, go ahead and click on Settings at the top right. And in here you can see the section Hide Locked Chats. So let's click on this. And right now we can create our secret code. So let's create it. And in here you can basically use a word or an emoji, but just make it memorable. So let's say we're going to try it with test. Then we're going to confirm it in here. And as you can see, the secret codes match. So click on done. And right now, this chat is locked and it is also hidden. And there is no way you can access this chat. The only way you can access this locked and hidden chat is by going to your search bar and then typing in the secret code you just created. So as you can see, I typed it in and now I see my locked chats again. So if you want to turn it off, you can go ahead and click on settings and just basically turn it off and click on continue. And that is how you do it. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel.